It's the 1st of August, and the combine is back in action in some more wheat. Stephen is halfway through the 70-hectare block of JB Diego. As it's a 4.5-mile round trip back to the farm from here, the 215 horsepower Massey Ferguson 6499 is also being used with an 18-ton Richard Weston trailer. We join Robert in the Fendt 718 Vario as he catches a load from the combine and heads back to the yard through the narrow lanes and picturesque Suffolk village of Rattlesden itself. With the moisture under 15%, the wheat is being heaped on the floor in the grain store.
Good evening, here we are, 1st of August. It's just gone 10:30 in the evening and we're trying to push on with this JB Diego. Since you saw us last, we finished a bit of third week, beg your pardon, on Abbey. Very disappointing, only done 8 tonnes to the hectare. But as I said earlier, that the take-all had really set in there. So I was a little bit downbeat. We've come down this end of the farm, cut a piece of second week next door to this. Now that's done 11.37 tonnes a hectare. JB Diego, same varieties, basically the same husbandry. So that's second week, so obviously this take-all didn't take effect in the second week. We've done some first week JB Diego topside of this field. That done 11.21 tonnes a hectare. And we're in JB Diego again now first week, which I suspect is probably doing somewhere sort of similar. So what lessons have we learned so far? Probably that JB Diego, yeah, it's done all right this year as a second week, but I think it's just about seen its day really. I don't think it's really a first week, and I don't really think it's a second week really, to be honest. So I think it's probably the end is nigh for JB Diego. So back to this field, as I said, probably shade over 11 tonnes a hectare, might be a fraction more, so fairly pleased with that. Do speak of a little bit of rain tonight, so we're trying to sort of push it as late as we can, get as much done as the shed as we can. And if we do get some rain tonight, then we'll probably clean down, and the spring barley will probably dry out a little quicker than the wheat, so we'll probably go into the spring barley. So let's pray we don't get a lot of rain and we'll have a fairly late evening harvesting.